I'm Michelle Sterling for Friends of Science Society. Right now, world leaders are meeting in Glasgow, and people like Prince Charles are calling it the last chance to save the planet. So, to come up with a very convincing scientific way of showing people how serious this is, the UN is running a very interesting kind of ad using a dinosaur. So they think that this is going to convince taxpayers around the world to spend trillions of dollars of your money on climate capers. So it's supposed to be all based on science, right? Unite behind the science. And they use a dinosaur in an ad. And where does the ad lead you to? It leads you to a website where, lo and behold, who's partnering with this organization? We Don't Have Time. And who's the group We Don't Have Time? They're the group that was behind Greta Thunberg's stunning success worldwide. They're a social engineering, social media company. It's a climate movement platform. They actively market likes and dislikes for companies, and they encourage people to rate companies according to their climate friendliness and such like. So this is a carbon offset company. These guys are all rich, and they want more of your money. And to do so, they're trying to use a little dinosaur to con you into giving up more of your money for a climate project where you will not be changing the climate at all. Part of the reason is that China is not attending COP26 this year. China is the world's largest emitter. In terms of Canada, China emits in 1 month what Canada emits in a year and a half. So whatever you Canadians are being told that you're going to do and you're going to have to sacrifice for the climate and the environment, your sacrifice will be purely virtue signaling. So think about how serious these scientific people are at COP26 with their crazy little dinosaur and their little video trying to scare people into, it's called Don't Choose Extinction. Well, I tell you, our founder and a professor named Alain Préat wrote an article about that very period of time of extinction, the PETEM as it's known in scientific circles. And you should read that first before you start thinking about anything these guys have to say. For Friends of Science Society, I'm Michelle Sterling. Join us for another COP update every day as long as COP continues.